This video will show you how to search a temporary reservation. Hotelogix lets you easily search and view temporary reservations. Let us see how. The temporary reservations for the selected dates are indicated on the blocked row through numbers other than 0. The number indicates the total number of temporary reservations for the selected day in all the room types. Click the number on the blocked row for any stay date. Alternatively, you can use the temp room list under room operations to do the same. Use the date fields to search the reservation for desired dates and click Search. A list of all temporary reservations for the dates selected will appear. Click the reservation that you are looking to open. The reservation opens in a new tab. Click Close to exit the temp room list. This brings us to the end of the video on how to search a temporary reservation.